Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, my name is Ashley Lewis, calling from the Credit Card Help Center. Do you have a moment to speak?
I guess so. If I have to, under
Thank you.
protest.
Well, I have some great news for you. Because of the recent raise in your credit card debt, you have been pre-qualified for a debt elimination program by the Fair Debt Reporting Act.
Oh, great. I'll throw a party.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what?
Great. Now, before we proceed, how much do you owe in total combined credit card debt?
$2.
Okay. And how many accounts do you have under your name currently?
9.
Oh, okay. Please hold.
Sure
Please hold.
thing.
Let me get my manager on the line for you.
No problem, honey.
Okay?
Yes. Take your time. Where's the pretty music? I don't get music today? Where's the piano? The concert. I look forward to it every day. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, young man. How may I help you?
I believe you've been talking to one of our representatives regarding the program, so do you have any questions so far?
Well, I wasn't really talking to her. She was a recording, but it's okay.
Okay.
Then I got connected with you. How may I help you?
So do you have any questions regarding the program?
No, not one. But you can tell me all about it if you like. And then perhaps I'll have some questions. Boy, you breathe loud. Hello? You ask me a question, then you're all silent. What's with that? Perhaps you're one of those shy ones.
Sorry?
Not you recording. I'm talking to the dope who just left the conversation. He doesn't know how to do his job. He's probably broke. That's why he has to take a tuk-tuk to work.